Hi, no, I'm Melody Brown Burkins, and I am at Dartmouth College in the United States. I'm both the Associate Director of the John Sloan Dickey Center for International Understanding and an Adjunct Professor of Environmental Studies, and I also serve as the Chair of the US National Academies Board on International Scientific Organizations. Well, a lot of the work I do is on international organizations and cooperation. So SDG 16, peace, justice, and strong institutions is very important to me. It's how we all collectively work with STI, science, technology, innovation, as well as humanities, the arts, communities, all trying to strive for a more sustainable world, but how we work together. So science, technology, innovation is having an absolutely important impact in being part, especially in international scientific organizations, of being collections of scientists, innovators, folks working on the future of technology, who I actually call it sort of a tier 2 diplomacy around the world of people connecting, not worrying about boundaries. They're connected by science and knowledge and a pursuit of knowledge. And it's this whole group around the world that many people don't know about, these international unions of science and academies of science who are working together. And one of the other hats I wear is a governing board of the International Science Council. We're working together with all of those groups towards issues such as the Sustainable Development Goal, freedom and responsibility of science. So there are these networks and organizations where science, technology, innovation community is a core and also a piece. It's both a very important core and a piece of how we all work together to solve and get towards SDGs. Science, technology, innovation, sometimes the community doesn't see itself as part of that network and that whole. It thinks of itself as a knowledge creator who can solve things or research things for the future of the world, which is wonderful, and there's a benefit to society, but sometimes it's so indirect we forget, or sometimes it takes so long and we realize sustainable development doesn't have that long. The barriers are our current culture of incentives, and how people get ahead hasn't always, in the science, technology, innovation world, been about a core benefit to society. We talk about it, we know it, but a real intentional connection to society and communities and knowledge beyond the science, technology, innovation communities. So local knowledge, indigenous knowledge, recognizing we're all part of a fabric of society beyond our institutions of science, technology, innovation. So that's a barrier. It's an opportunity, because I actually think when science, technology, innovation incorporates all of those ideas, it becomes better, much better.